October-November 2017, maximum mark 14. That means it is a section B type of question. The following diagram shows AB, this with length is 2 centimeter. Total length between A and B is 2 centimeter. The line is divided into an infinite number of line segments. The diagram shows the first 3 segments. If you will see, A to this point is P. But from this point to this point is P square, the length is smaller than that. From this to this length is P cube, the length is still smaller than P square. So the more number of segments you will do, the less number of length would be there between A and B. The length of the line segments are P, P square and P cube centimeter, where P is lying between 0 and 1. So imagine if your P is 0.1. So P square will be 0.1 square, which is 0.01. P cube is 0.001. So the more you do square between 0 and 1, they become a smaller and smaller further. Show that P is equal to 2 by 3. We know the total condition is total length is 2. So we are starting with that. Total length, that means total length is sum is equal to 2. It's a infinite because they said clearly it's a infinite. So infinite number of line segment is S infinity is 2. I know U1 is P, U2 is P square, U3 is P cube, and every time they say between P is lying between 0 and 1. So ratio is P square over P or P cube over P is still P. So I'm using a sum to infinity formula, U1 over 1 minus R, S infinity is 2. U1 is P, ratio is also P, P over 1 minus P, please do not cancel this P and P. Take this on this side, it gets multiplication to 2 times 1 minus P is equal to this P. Open this bracket, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times P is 2P, 2 minus 2P is equal to P. Keeping 2 over here, negative 2P on the other side, P plus 2P is 3P. I want to find P, keep P over here, divide by 3 both sides. So 2 by 3, P is equal to 2 by 3. That is what we want to show. Second part. The following diagram shows CD. Previous case it was AB, now it is a CD. With length is B. Total length between C and D is B, where B is greater than 1. Squares with sides length K, K square and K cube centimeter, where K is between 0 and 1, are drawn along CD. So you can see between C and D, they have shown 3 squares. And every time the square is reducing down because K values they are taking between 0 and 1. So again, if you take any number between 0 and 1 and square that or cube that or raised to power 4, its value reduces down. This process carried indefinitely, that means infinitely. The diagram shows first 3 squares. So first square has a length is K. So if this is K, this is also K, this is also K, and this is also K. Condition is that total means what? Addition. Sum of the areas, that means this area, this area, this area infinitely is given as 9 by 16 and they want the value of B. So for finding a B, I should know the value of K. And for that purpose, they have given the area is 9 by 16. Not one area, but all areas given as, summation of all areas given as 9 by 16. So let's start the condition what they have given us. Total sum of the area of all squares is 9 by 16. So first area is not K, the length is K. So area is K square. The length of this square is K square. So this is also K square, K square. The area is K raised to 4 because square area is length into width. So K square times K square is K raised to 4. This is your K. This is given as K square or this is given as K square. This is K cube into K cube is K raised to 6. So first area is K square, second area is K raised to 4, third area is K raised to 6, dot dot dot. Why dot dot dot? Because they said infinitely, indefinitely. And every time it is reducing down, so it is equal to 9 by 16. Here u1 is k square. Yes, ratio is difference is not same because k raised to 4 minus k square you cannot do properly arithmetically. So ratio is k raised to 4 over k square, or k raised to 6 over k raised to 4 is still k square. So your first term is k square, your ratio is k square. Sum to infinity is given 9 by 16. So S infinity is u1 over 1 minus r. 9 by 16 is equal to k square over 1 minus k square. Do cross multiplication. 9 times 1 minus k square is equal to 16 times k square. You don't need to make the base same because middle sign is equal to. Open this bracket. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times k square is 9k square is equal to 16k square. Keep this 9 as it is. Take this 9k square on the other side. 16k square plus 9k square is 25k square. Now divide both sides by 24. 9 times 25 is equal to 25k square over k square is k square. Whenever you take a square root, you always get positive or negative. Never ever consider only positive value. So k square root is k, but k square, square root of 9 by 25 is plus or minus square root of 9 by 25 is plus or minus 3 by 5. As you know, the length cannot be negative. We are neglecting negative signs, so we are taking only k value is positive 3 by 5. But do not directly write down only positive 3 by 5. This is what your condition. This is what you are understanding about the problem. I got k is 3 by 5. That is not my solution. I want to find b. And what is b? b is basically k plus k square plus k cube indefinitely. So here k plus k square plus k cube up dot is equal to b. What is my u1? u1 is k. What is my difference? Is it difference constant? No. K square minus k is not same as k cube minus k square. So it's a ratio. K square over k is k. K cube over k square is still k. So r is k. u1 is k. b is equal to, it's a sum to infinity. So u1, which is k over 1 minus r, that is 1 minus k. K we already found out 3 by 5 over 1 minus 3 by 5. 3 by 5 as it is 1 minus 3 by 5. Base is not same. So 5. 5 multiply here, 5 multiply here. 5 minus 3 is 2 over 5. Or 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 3 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 over 5. 3 over 5 over 2 over 5. Keeping 3 over 5 as it is. I'm not allowing you calculator. So division as it is. 2 by 5 as it is. First term will remain as it is. When you convert division into multiplication, 2 by 5 becomes 5 by 2. What you can see, cancellation 5 and 5. So what is left? 3 by 2. So your k value is 3 by 2. Sorry, your b value is 3 by 2. That means total length between C and D is 3 by 2, which is 1.5. And they said here b has to be greater than 1. So in case your b is not greater than 1, that means you are doing some mistake. Thank you.